Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to enable voice chat on Roblox. So if you are new on channel, please subscribe to our channel Karam, like the video. So let's start the video. First of all, open the Roblox app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in with your ID. So now just tap on the three dots at the bottom, and now you have to go to setting. Now you have to go to this account info option. So once you're here guys, so there is a condition to enable voice chat on your phone. So first of all, what you can do, first of all you have to verify your age. So make sure you have entered the correct date of birth here. So once you enter the correct date of birth, just tap on this verify my age, tap on it. Now it is connecting to your mobile. Now you have to tap on this restart session. So now tap on this browser. So I will recommend you to use Chrome browser. So first of all, it will ask you for the camera permissions. So just allow the camera permission on your phone. Once you allow, just tap on this let's go. So make sure you are prepared with the any hard copy of your ID, photo ID, and also it will ask you for the selfie. So make sure you take the correct selfie. So three things you have to done. First of all, you should have a valid government issued ID and that has a photo. Now you have a good room, or you have a well lit room which has a good light, so you can take the clear photo of your selfie or photo of yourself or and the photo ID. So it will ask you to take two photos, one for the selfie and one for the photo ID. So once you click all both the photo, your verification will be done after that. So due to privacy guys, or due to the security, I can't show you this process because I know you understand. I know you will understand. So just tap on the let's go button and you can click both the photos. First of all, you have to take the photo of your document, and whether it is driver's license, ID card, or passport. You can use any of them. So after clicking this the photo of your government photo ID, now you have to take a selfie. So once you take the selfie guys, the screen will be appear here, and your verification will be done after that. So once your verification done, now you can go back. Now you can tap on the privacy option. So now guys, the voice chat option will be appear here, and you can tap on the toggle button to enable the voice chat. So this is the only condition to enable voice chat on your phone, and you must be above 13 years old. So make sure you are above 13 years old. So that's all the conditions. So hope you like it, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.